Hello and welcome to Insights with Thomas Caldwell on Thursday, May the 12th, 2022. Tom, spring is in the air. However, it's full of stress and conflict. What do you think?
Well, you started with the positive. It's just the spring is in the air and no stress. By the way, happy birthday today. It's your birthday on the 12th there. So
thank you.
Well done. There's lots of stress and conflict, and there always is and always will be. The key is not to get stuck in it, to mentally get stuck in the stress. And by the way, if you're watching and listening to the news, that's all they peddle is conflict, stress, difficulties. The key is to get beyond it. Look at what's going on and say, okay, where are the opportunities here? And there are always opportunities. It's just how you come at it. But I guess that's the difference between a pessimist and an optimist. A pessimist gets stuck in this stuff. Don't, or stop watching television, or if you're going to keep watching television, hide under your bed. But if you want to do something positive, say, okay, where are we going from here? This is a terrible time, tragedy all over the world. Where are we going from here? What are the possibilities? That's where your thinking has to be. So there's always grounds for optimism. You know, if you're breathing in and out and your brain is halfway working, you have a chance at life. And that's the positive to go on and look for the opportunities within that context.
Okay, so I always look at the glasses being half full, always. However, with this next question, markets seem to be scary to investors. So, what would you say to them right now?
Is that why you always have those half-full glasses on your desk? I was just kind of wondering, are they a reminder?
Yes, I do.
The market is volatile. It's up and down, and a lot of this volatility, the swing in the market, is artificial. They're pro-trading operations with big amounts of money that can push a market way beyond where it should go. Markets, we always overshoot. We overshoot in the upside and the downside. And I think what has happened is essentially positive. A lot of the air has come out of these high-tech companies that were at insane valuations. The beauty of it right now is that some of them are getting down to valuations where you can look at them as a business. Oh, now this business is more reasonably priced. Then you can decide whether you want to invest. So it's getting into levels where the high-techs are coming back to earth in some ways. And there are lots of other possibilities in here. America's going to do a lot of rebuilding over the next little while, shortening supply chains. Interest rate spreads means banks are going to make a lot more money. Oil prices, they're going to stay up. Energy is still going to be a positive. So I think the thing is, don't get faked out of the market and don't get faked in. Take your time, look at stuff. And I was saying the other day that Angela Stirpe, our CFO, and I use her as an example. If you're walking up Yonge Street and you see a sweater for sale for $300, that's a little bit expensive. And you go up the next day and the sweater's $150. What does the average person do? Oh, well, I'll wait. It might go to $100. Knowing Angela, she would go in and buy it at $150. So I think that's what investors try to do. They try to be too clever by half when you've got to take a little bit longer view, look beyond the turmoil, look at the possibilities as these companies have fallen back to earth. There's lots of things to do.
Thank you so much, Tom.
Thank you.
And thank you all for watching. Bye for now.